Yeah, we're a commercial general contractor. We do pretty wide range in revenue a year. We've been anywhere from 10 million a year to 150 million a year. So we've got a wide range of projects. When I first got here, there wasn't any BIM design. So I've converted everything from CAD now to Revit. And with one of our bigger projects coming up here, a music festival grounds and wedding venue and stuff like that, I really wanted to step up the 3D game a little bit, and did a bunch of research and came across your product and played around with it a little bit, and it's definitely had some cool effects. I think I might be. Yep. So I'm business development, and I take it through to pre-construction. So I utilize it as a huge sales tool as far as the Revit side of it. And I've never been a fan of CAD. And there was a designer here that was CAD, and he actually left because he didn't want to change to Revit. I mean, that's how serious we are of making this technology. I mean, people want to see what it looks like in real life, and that was the whole goal. And I can do a lot of screenshots from Revit, and give people somewhat of an experience or a fly through. And yeah, with Sentio, it just stepped up a little, quite a bit more. Yep. I think I was more or less on this project for Country Jam. I told them, I said, I want to bring this to life. I want to bring your project to life so you can really see it. And they're going to use it as a marketing tool as well. I mean, by the time I'm done with this, their next festival's at the end of July, and they're going to utilize this as a tool to sell next year's tickets because of the new location. So yeah, and I mean, right now Revit just does that, period. And you can stretch a camera out and you can kind of look anywhere, but now it just takes it one level further. Right. To do those final reviews, or it's still going to be probably more on the clientele side of it, but the architect was just in awe. They were like, "Oh my God, this is incredible!" Especially when you're designing, your own. When you're designing the building, you put so much pride into it that seeing it like this is a big deal. So. Yeah, I mean, it's very easy to use, and that's what I liked about it. Is I exported it, threw a couple views in there, and then threw on the goggles, put in the code, and it was done. I was walking around within minutes. So that was what I liked, because I don't want complicated, because complicated makes my life hard, and I have very little time as it is. And but this stuff is worth it, especially on the being able to show the customer. I'm just all about bringing stuff to life. So.